What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully everybody's doing great and staying safe. Today we have a nice day out here. We decided it was time to do a exhaust POV whatever video, so we are doing just that today. Anyways, back to what I was saying before I got interrupted. Decided it's probably time to make a little sound POV of this puppy right here, and then we got the little GoPro here, so headphone users beware. I think I already started it earlier, so it's not gonna sound too cold, but here it goes. So we're gonna try this whole headband bullshit. I think I've only done it once. Hopefully it's not too bad. Just trying to give you guys a little different view of it. I feel stupid. People are probably gonna think that my car's somewhat fast or anything if they see me, but it's not for that. But yeah, like I said, hopefully everybody's doing great, and hopefully you enjoy this video. It's a little different, so also let me know what you think of it at the end of it. All right. I love the sound of this car. It's not too trumpety like the VQs that it is, whatever. But I love it. And if you're wondering the setup, it's C1 headers with Motordyne R pipes, C1 wide pipe, and a single exit top main. Because I know a lot of people are gonna ask, so that it is. That's what it is. Shit on his forehead. Like, what up, bud? What it do, cuz? it's the Bluetooth. Oh shit, it's recording, but not through the app over here. So let's do this. Let's do it this way, I guess. Ah shit, we got a popo. It's probably gonna take a little while, but it's in the works, so stay tuned for that one. I'll probably post it after this one, like a week or two or so we shall see. Well, it's one that I was not planning on doing so soon, but I mean, I'm not gonna be driving it a lot this winter, so figured why not. Shit, these cops are everywhere, bro. Then we got a fast car over there. Oh, where he went? He went somewhere over there. But yeah, these cops are freaking literally everywhere today. Like, out of all days, when I'm making this damn video, that's when they want to show up. Like, come on. And I'll keep it nice and short and sweet or whatever. That's probably gonna be it for this video at least. There's the Tomei. It is a little bit extended because I didn't want it to be all in there, but yeah, I do need my diffuser back. But yeah, this is it, boys. I feel like that's probably the best system, at least exhaust wise, for the G35, 350C, G37, 370, I'd say. Keep in mind it does have a 370 engine in it, so I don't know, take it how you want. But yeah, that's my personal preference, at least. And just like they say, you get what you pay for, so you don't want to cheap out. It is an expensive setup, but you can do it over time. You can definitely do it over time. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and go to the description and get some merch. I'll see you in the next one.